together with no less than our President gracing the occasion, sustained by prayers. It was born out of the prayer of suffering of children in Korea in 1950 prayed, we also support global initiatives to end preventable deaths of children. Because children are special. Para po tapusin na natin ang problema ng child labor.
As well as anyone, there are days when one may end up asking.
Loving people are now sponsoring to all of us, especially the poor children in our country.
Asa kamay, isama niyo yung panalangin ng Pangulo ng Bansa at ang mga kagabinete niya. Pagkakain ng
It is also a time for us to remember where this season finds its roots. In the contributing to the virtuous cycle of social good. The full
Asa kamay po. Salamat po at gawin po natin ang awiting mahal pa. Opo, Panginoon, narinig mo po ang dalangin ng bawat isa sa amin. Aming sinesyo. Pagkitin niyo po ang inyong panalangin na pagpapala sa atin.